Hi, I'm Alex with Passion Built Tree Care. We had a large ash tree blow over in the high winds recently at the Reno Community Shelter. Did some damage to the roof. We're going to make sure that it doesn't continue to do any more damage by removing it safely and slowly, taking our time to make sure that everything comes out just right. And you guys get to join us. Here we are, about halfway through with the hazardous ash tree removal. We've had high winds for the last 2 days here in Reno, and sure enough, plenty of trees have blown over. This is just one example. Thankfully, it seems like it's only minor roof damage. No one got hurt, that's the important thing. And this is gonna have a new life when the large diameter wood gets milled and the rest is firewood. Most of the tree. We're going to use our remaining central leader to rig some of the firewood, the large logs, off the roof safely and gently. A little bit of cleanup and it'll be as if it never happened.